A lot of our clients attend trade shows and exhibits where they want to showcase their products. So 3D printing is a really good way to do that.
Product displays offer an opportunity to save drastically on weight and shipping fees.
Some of the biggest industries that come to us for display models are oil and gas, medical, and architecture. Our number one goal is to understand what our customers are looking for in their display models and identifying their key features.
Every display project starts with a 3D file. We'll take your 3D file and edit it for 3D printing. Then, once it is printed, we will do the post-processing to give it the smoothest finish possible. It will then be professionally painted with automotive-grade paint, and it will be packaged in specially made Pelican case and foam cutouts so that you can safely ship your product.
And we also offer service on the product. For trade show, if it's starting to get marked up on the paint, we'll bring it back in, we'll buff it, make sure it goes back out just like how it was delivered.
We can absolutely make product displays functional. We pride ourselves on our ability to replicate the function of the real products. Our wide range of professional finishing options allow us to make your model as lifelike as possible.
It's fun to see our customers' reactions when they come in to see display models because they're so lifelike. And people will usually mistake the display models for the real thing.